So you want to get 4,000 watch hours and you have uploaded over 200 videos on your channel, yet you don't have up to 2,000 watch hours. Well, that stops now, because in this video, I want to show you this new YouTube feature that will help you get 50 to 100 times more watch hours than you currently do. Now, this will work for you even if you're a lazy person, because you can apply it on your old videos. So without uploading new videos, you can actually use this feature to get more watch hours. One of my students used it and she was able to get over 4,700 watch hours in about 7 days. 7 days. Now, this is not a magic hack that the moment you put it in, you are getting watch hours, but it sure gets you more watch hours than you do at the moment. I'm going to show you the exact thing you need to do. Remember, this feature is already on your YouTube Studio dashboard. Yes, it's actually a new feature. A lot of creators don't know about it or even how to use it. So I will show you the feature. I will show you how it works. At the end of this video, I'm going to give you the exact hack you have to apply. You have to watch this video to the end and apply that hack. Otherwise, even if you use this feature without that hack, you will hardly get watch hours, because the hack I'm about to share with you comes with what you should do and what you should not do. Without these do's and don'ts of this particular feature, you will struggle to get watch hours. Now, this works because the moment you use this feature, YouTube gives you more visibility. Now, here's a quick thing you need to pay attention to. You must have valuable video for this to work. If you don't have value-packed videos, it will not work for you. So if you are sure that you give value in your videos, but for a reason not known to you, your videos get 50 views, 72 views, then people that give less value in their own content than you do are getting 10,000, 20,000 views, then this is the exact feature you need, because what it does is to get YouTube algorithm to give you visibility. YouTube itself will start giving you more visibility. I'm going to prove that to you as we go. This feature works whether you're using your computer or you're using your smartphone. As a matter of fact, I'm going to demonstrate it using my smartphone, because I've discovered that a lot of people who watch my videos use their smartphone. This is 100% legit because it is given to us by YouTube. Every creator has access to it, just that you didn't know about it and you've not been using it. That said, let's get into it. This feature is called YouTube Screencast. It is open for all to use. A lot of people don't know that this feature exists and even how to use it to get more watch hours. This is why this feature works when it comes to getting watch hours. The reason is because YouTube promotes live streams. Every time you go live on YouTube, YouTube has a way of putting that your live stream at the top of the homepage. For example, if I open my homepage now, you're going to see that channels that are live are at the top. You can see it, right? Yes, that's exactly what happens when you go live. And that's why this feature is going to help give you the visibility that your valuable content gives. Like I said, the only time it works is when you give value. I'm going to explain it and even show you why it takes only valuable content to get you the 4,000 watch hours using this strategy. Another benefit of this particular feature is that you don't really need to create new videos. So if you're lazy, you want to get more watch hours, but you don't want to create new videos, you can actually use your existing videos to achieve this. I'll still show you how to use that. Now, in a moment, I'm going to share my phone screen with you. But just before I share my screen, this is how it works. First, you pick most valuable videos on your channel. You see how I keep emphasizing on valuable video, because if the video doesn't offer value, this particular strategy will flop. You can actually get more than 2 videos. The longer, the better, so long as those videos offer value. The best is using tutorial videos, because it's tutorial videos that will help our audience to stay back. Now, remember, how many watch hours you're able to accumulate per screencast depends on how long those people who opened it stay. So I highly encourage you to use tutorial videos or any other video, maybe storytelling, any video at all that resonates well with your audience. Anything that hooks attention, gets people to stay glued to the content will work. The next thing you're going to do once you get those valuable videos is to download them. Now, if it's 2 or 3, go on and put the 3 of them together so it becomes one long video. So instead of having only 6-minute video, 8 minutes, you have like 20, 25, 30 minutes video. Because the longer this live stream, the more you get more watch hours. The next step is to use screencasts to feature this video on YouTube. Let me share my screen with you. Don't click off until you see the last tip, because without the last tip, you are going to screencast, you will still not get result. So once you open your YouTube app, go on and click on this plus button. The next thing you want to do is to go on and click on this pencil icon here, and it's going to bring us to this place. The first important step that will help us get this watch hours is to click on this pencil icon so we can select the thumbnail we want to use for this. Now, there are two options here, take thumbnail or upload. You must have designed a thumbnail already. Go on and click on upload thumbnail. Okay, so you can see the options here. I'm going to go on and select this one. Make sure that the thumbnail you are going to use is attractive. Now, use your two thumbs to control it so it fits nicely. You click on save. Without this thumbnail, it's impossible to get you the 4,000 watch hours you are looking for. The next thing you need to do is to click on this one that says title. So you're going to clean up whatever that is here and put the title of this video. It's very, very important to give it an interesting title so people will click and watch it. Now, the next thing is to click on unlisted, this one here, this visibility. So there are options here. For the purpose of this demo, I'm going to leave it at unlisted. But for you, the moment you want to do it, it's going to be public. So everybody will see it. If you leave your own as unlisted, nobody will see it. So it has to be public. So once you do this, the next thing is to go on and click on screencast. You can see this option. This is the biggest secret. Okay. So I'm going to toggle the button on. You can see that where it says schedule for later, and I'm using it because this is just a demonstration to show you how it is done. If you are the one doing it, it has to be done now. So once you're done with this, click on next, and it's going to bring you to this place, which is the audience. Now, always remember to select the right audience. You click on next, click on got it, and it's just getting ready to get started. Now, it's going to bring us to the app we are going to use to screencast. So you are going to go on and look for VLC Media Player. So I'm going to click on it and it will bring us to this place. If you don't have VLC Media, please download it. It's free. The next thing I need to do now is to open my phone and go to VLC Media Player, which is this one here. Okay, I'm going to select it. Now I say grant permission. I'm going to click on grant permission because YouTube is requesting that I grant permission. So I say allow limited access. So you go on and select the video. As you can see here, this is the video being played in VLC Media Player. Now for you, you need to make sure that your own video is vertical, full the screen, and it will be very interesting to watch. So the next thing you want to do is to click on these three buttons here. Okay, you can see where to control it. Some people will ask you to loop the video. Say the video is just 10 minutes. You want to loop it so it to get up to 1 hour. All you need to do is to click on this button that says repeat mode. Okay, so you can make that video to play and overplay. But for me, I'll encourage you just get a long video so you don't have to repeat the play. So your audience won't feel like you are manipulating them. So as it is right now, this video is being screencast on YouTube. People are watching it from your phone. Let's go on YouTube and see if this is actually working. Now you can see it here. It's also being screencast on YouTube. So even if you choose to sleep, so long as this phone is on, you are going to be streaming, and people who watch this video will give you the watch hours. Now you see how easy it is, and I've seen a lot of people use it to get watch hours. Now to the tips that will guarantee you use this strategy to get 4,000 watch hours. The first one is consistency. By consistency, I mean you have to show up maybe once or twice a week. And it's best if you have an exact day and time you show up. That's exactly what this my student did. She had a specific day and time she goes live. She doesn't get outrageous number, but those few 10, 20 people helped her rake in lots of watch hours. In fact, she was able to monetize in less than 7 days of using this strategy. Meanwhile, before that time, she had about 2,000 plus watch hours. So it's not like she started from 0 watch hours. The second tip is that the content must be valuable. See, if you go there and offer nothing, people will open it. Yes, YouTube will promote you and people will open it. The moment they see that you don't have any value, they are going to leave and never to come back. The next secret this student applied was to give a freebie. At some point in that screencast, she mentioned that she has something absolutely free, a freebie for the audience. And anybody who watches the video to the end will get it. And then at the end, she gave them something. And that's how she was able to get a good number of people to stay longer. Only 5 or 10 people staying to the end gives you 20 to 50 times more watch hours than you would normally get from your videos. The next one is to engage with your audience. This is very important. As people are dropping comments, remember to engage. Use comment triggers. Say things in the video, in the live cast that will get people to drop comments in the comment section. Now, always go back to that comment section and respond to them. Yes, reply to all the comments. This will help you increase your engagement metrics. The next important one is this one is very important. Please put your phone on do not disturb while doing this. Remember, when you screencast, everything going on your screen will be shown. So you don't want along the way there will be message, WhatsApp message, there's Facebook notification and all of that popping in and out. When you put it on do not disturb, people cannot call you, people cannot send notifications. So you give your audience a perfect streaming. Finally, here are the mistakes you need to avoid. First, doing it without thumbnail. This is a no, 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 because you will not get attention. On no account should you do this without adding an attractive thumbnail and even the video details like I showed you while I was demonstrating this. Another one is poor title. Please title that your live cast very well. So when YouTube gives you that visibility, shows it at the top of people's homepage, they will be curious, eager to know what this thing is about and click on it. Finally, please don't manipulate views. Don't use bots to get views because at the end of the day, it's going to mess up the whole result you're going to get. If you manipulate views, YouTube will know, and even the original ones you got will all be counted as null. I mean, YouTube is going to remove them. So do it the right way. You might not go viral immediately or get 10,000 watch hours immediately. But if you are consistent, eventually you will get the result. Now, if you want to go the extra mile, you want to give extra value and make sure that you get this result fast, I encourage you to create videos specifically for this screencast. In that video, remember to ask questions and say things that will trigger engagement. And then make a promise. Yes, tell them at the beginning that you're going to give them something valuable for those that will stay to the end. This alone will get a lot of them to stay to the end.